I'm gonna lift your bike off your leg, Jamie.
Get the bike. Hold on, Jamie. Hold on.
Easy, easy, easy.
I got it. I got it.
Easy, easy.
Got it?
Just breathe and stay calm. You know you're gonna be all right. Where do you hurt, bud?
All of your
fingers and toes.
limbs, how are they feeling, bro?
Legs good.
We see your right hand first, homie. You feeling all right?
Do you require backup?
No.
Oh fuck, bro! Oh shit!
Where's your hurt? Where's your hurt?
Years later.
What bike is that? This bitch is sexy. Damn. Hey, let's go. Where my dad remembered. Stop at the stop sign. No, just stop here and wait. Just stop. Kid, just stop. Relax, kid. What are you gonna do? Who the fuck cares, bro? He's being a little bitch. Don't even worry about him. It's not even worth it. What?
Tell him that's enough.
Yeah, I already did. What? You're his dad? He ain't listening to me.
Oh, then he's gonna ask for his own trouble. Hey.
Oh, hold on. Hey, you already got him. You already got him. Just stop, kid. Dude, just fucking pull over, bro. There you go. I got you. Give me a second. Fuck you, little bitch. Pull over, bro. Little fat buck. What's up, bro? there, bro. We're with my fucking dad, kid. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go, bro. Let his ass go. Just let him go.
Let him go.
Hey, I think he knows he's a bitch, bro. He already knows he's a bitch. It ain't even worth it. Hey. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Alright, man. I'll catch you later. He ain't stopping.
Wait now.
Hey, let's go, kid. Go this way. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, he's going to the police, bro. Hey, get the fuck out of here, bro. What are you doing? Hey, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go. We're with my fucking dad, bro. Come on, kid. What are you doing, bro? Oh, there you go. Now let's get the fuck out of here, bro. Now let's go. Time to go. Time to go. Let's go. Hey, hurry, hurry, hurry. Hey, no, whoa, let's go, let's go. Did he get your plate number? I'm pretty sure he did. Alright, well, you punched the shit out of him, bro. You punched the shit. Am I recording? Fuck yeah, I'm recording, bro. Where are we going?
'Did you even look? Come on, man. I know, I get it, but just do your window down. Just do your window down. I just want to talk. You could have killed me.
Thousand years later.
What?
You have a license?
No?
Why are you driving on a public street?
Fast.
Okay.
You're not even supposed to be in here with those, and the board has
Why wouldn't we
kind of
call the cops and have
overlooked
you
it.
arrested?
Because
You
we
don't have a
like you to
license?
have
Okay.
fun, but you can't be
Where do
tearing
you
down
live?
here. So
Where do you
that-
live? Does your dad know you're doing this?
What? My mom, yeah. She don't care.
They know you're speeding on our street.
It's 20 miles per hour.
Are you? Okay.
This isn't your playground.
Okay.
You got insurance, you get a license, and you can drive around. Otherwise, get the hell off our street.
Okay.
You don't have a license. You can't drive. This is not your playground, man. This is our house.
Okay.